So let's fix that problem during installation or update for Ubisoft Connect error. Now this is going to be the Ubisoft Connect launcher, right? Now make sure this is closed first. Click on the escape button because we want this process to be clear as always. Let me just close this one. As you can see right here, Ubisoft is asking me if you should be running on the background or basically exit the application. Make sure you click on exit, okay? And perfect. Next up, on your Windows key right there, go to Roman Comp. This one right here. Make sure you should run this one as administrator. Let me just put it in. Now while this is up and running, type in ipconfig. Like so. Click a space, dash, that would be flush, DNS. Now once that's done, if you answer this one right there, you're gonna see this option. Successfully flush the DNS resolve cache. So what's next? Type in this prompt. nat s winstock reset. That one right there, and click on enter. And that should solve your problem. Now for example, the problem is still persisting. What we can do right now is basically go to your firewall, choose the one with no advanced option. Let me just type it up. Allow app through Windows application. If I click on that one right there, click on change settings, allow another application. In here, you just have to click on the Ubisoft Connect. And that should do it.